In this video, I'll show you how to turn your handwritten notes into digital text using ChatGPT Vision so you can easily edit, search, and keep forever. I'll guide you through the steps for optimal results and discuss some of its limitations. Please note that this feature is only available to the paid version of ChatGPT 4. I actually like this tool because unlike the other tools I used in the past, it can guess the words that it doesn't understand from the surrounding context, especially when dealing with messy handwritings or misspelled words. For the best outcomes, please follow these steps. Step 1. Download the ChatGPT mobile app and sign into your account. It's important to use the mobile version for this process because you will use the phone to capture the photos. And the app automatically adjusts the image format, unlike the other web versions. Step 2. Number each page you plan to digitize to ensure that they remain in the correct order throughout the process. Step 3. Take pictures of each page using your smartphone in a place with good lighting. Step 4. Upload each photo to the ChatGPT app one at a time using a prompt such as transcribe these handwritten notes into text. If your notes are all in capital letters and you want the digital version to be in regular letters, you can tell the app to change it to the regular case. Even though you can upload several images at once, it's better to do them one by one for better results. Step 5. After the app changes each page into digital text, copy and paste the text into one document in your favorite note-taking app, making sure they stay in the right order. Step 6. Put all the text together and delete any extra spaces between paragraphs to finish turning your notes into digital format. The last step is to check the text for mistakes because the tool might make some errors. Just remember, it's really good but not perfect. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Text only. This tool is designed specifically for processing text and does not support the replication of drawings. While it does attempt to describe images found within the notes, its accuracy can vary depending on the clarity and complexity of the drawings. Essentially, it makes educated guesses based on the content it sees. We hope that in the future, advancement in technology will enable the tool to better understand and digitize drawings with greater precision. Privacy concerns. It's important to exercise caution when using the tool with sensitive information. Any data may be used to enhance the tool's AI capabilities. Therefore, avoid inputting any private or confidential information that you wouldn't want to be used in this manner. I hope you find this guide useful in digitizing your handwritten notes. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more tips in future videos.